How to delete properties from your follow-up system. If you added some properties to your follow-up and you want to delete them, the first thing you'll need to do is go and locate the follow-up system on the sidebar of your screen. Once here, you'll find all the properties you've added in the follow-up in the past. And you can either delete one or multiple properties from your follow-up. Remember that you can select if you want to see 50, 100, or 250 properties per page in your follow-up system. Right now, I have selected 250, and if I click here on this checkbox, the system automatically will select all the properties on this page. As you can see, out of 348 properties I have in my follow-up, I selected 250. And now, in order to delete them, all I need to do is click on the trash can that says delete. Once the process is done, the follow-up system will give me this warning. 250 properties were moved to delete. I just click on OK. And now I'll have my follow-up list of properties without those 250 properties I deleted. If you need to restore any of the properties you deleted, simply go here to the deleted option. And here in this list, you'll find all the properties you've deleted in the past. Simply click on the properties you need to restore, select them, and click on the option that says Restore that you find on the top right corner of your screen. And now these two properties that I selected were moved again to my following list. If I go back to my following list and I refresh it, I'll see that I'll go from 98 properties to 100, since now I have again the two properties that I restored. And that's it. This is how you delete and restore properties to your follow-up system.